Hello and welcome everyone to another video. Today we are going to talk about Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on Earth. Antarctica is a fascinating place that holds many secrets and surprises. Here are some interesting facts that you may not know about Antarctica. Fact number 1. Antarctica is the only continent without a native human population. Antarctica is so inhospitable that no humans have ever lived there permanently. The only people who visit Antarctica are scientists, explorers, and tourists who stay for a limited time. There are about 40 research stations in Antarctica that host around 4,000 people in the summer and 1,000 people in the winter. The stations are operated by different countries that have signed the Antarctic Treaty, which regulates the peaceful use of the continent for scientific purposes. Fact number 2. Antarctica is home to 90% of the world's ice and 70% of the world's fresh water. Antarctica is covered by a massive ice sheet that averages about 2 kilometers thick and reaches up to 4 kilometers thick in some places. The ice sheet contains about 30 million cubic kilometers of ice, which is equivalent to 90% of all the ice on Earth. If all this ice melted, the global sea level would rise by about 60 meters. The ice sheet also holds about 70% of the world's freshwater, which is more than all the lakes, rivers, and groundwater combined. Fact number 3. Antarctica has an active volcano that erupts under the ice. Antarctica may seem like a frozen wasteland, but it actually has some volcanic activity. One of the most notable volcanoes is Mount Erebus, which is located on Ross Island near the coast of Antarctica. Mount Erebus is the southernmost active volcano on Earth and one of the few volcanoes that has a persistent lava lake in its crater. The lava lake is about 250 meters wide and emits gas and ash into the air. The volcano also erupts under the ice, creating caves and tunnels that are filled with ice crystals and bacteria. Fact number 4. Antarctica has its own time zones and seasons. Antarctica is so large that it spans several time zones. However, there is no official time zone for Antarctica, so each research station follows its own time zone based on its location or its home country. For example, McMurdo Station follows New Zealand time, while Amundsen Scott South Pole Station follows Greenwich Mean Time. Antarctica also has its own seasons, which are opposite to those in the Northern Hemisphere. During the summer, Antarctica experiences 24 hours of daylight, while during the winter, it experiences 24 hours of darkness. Fact number 5. Antarctica is home to some unique wildlife. Despite its harsh environment, Antarctica supports a variety of wildlife that has adapted to survive in the cold. Some of the most iconic animals that live in Antarctica are penguins, seals, and whales. There are 17 species of penguins in the world, and 7 of them live in Antarctica. The largest and most famous penguin is the emperor penguin, which can grow up to 1.2 meters tall and weigh up to 45 kilograms. The emperor penguin breeds in the winter and can withstand temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. The smallest penguin is the Adelie penguin, which can grow up to 70 centimeters tall and weigh up to 6 kilograms. The Adelie penguin breeds in large colonies on rocky shores and feeds on krill and fish. Seals are another common animal that lives in Antarctica. There are 6 species of seals that live in Antarctica, and they are all marine mammals that spend most of their time in the water. The largest seal is the elephant seal, which can grow up to 6 meters long and weigh up to 4 tons. The elephant seal can dive up to 2 kilometers deep and hold its breath for up to 2 hours. The smallest seal is the fur seal, which can grow up to 2 meters long and weigh up to 200 kilograms. The fur seal has a thick fur coat that keeps it warm and helps it swim fast. Whales are also frequent visitors to Antarctica, especially during the summer when they feed on krill and fish. There are several species of whales that live in Antarctica, but the most famous one is the blue whale, which is the largest animal ever known to exist. The blue whale can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh up to 200 tons. The blue whale can eat up to 4 tons of krill per day and communicate with other whales using low-frequency sounds. These are just some of the interesting facts about Antarctica that we wanted to share with you today. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this amazing continent. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.